Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 99-06, Silverado, and Sierra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank, for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 4. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Begin cleaning the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 5. Begin welding the part to the frame. And you're done.